We have Alina here. She has some low back pain, some mid back pain, some neck pain. We're gonna adjust her now and see what happens. We've adjusted Alina before, and usually she's short on the right with a PI ilium, posterior inferior. And after taking out the slack, it appears that way again. Now, usually with a PI ilium, this drops down. That's always, but usually with that dropping down of the ilium, L4 and L5 also, they rotate over in this direction. So we have to push this up and we have to pull those back in that direction. And then we also have to pull this ilium, which drifted upwards, pull that back down. Push up, pull that way, pull that way. Okay, then let's get started. Let me have you lay on your side, face me this way. Uh-oh, we already got one. I heard that. Where'd that come from? Was that the back?
What is this?
The hip?
Yeah.
Nice. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Okay, let's go on this side. Pull this up, and we'll give you a little pillow.
Oh, look at
That should be a little more comfy for you. There we go. Now let's get the cervical spine. One more here. Very good. Well, there we go. There's the lumbar and the cervical. Pretty loud.
Yeah.
But that's what we like it. We like loud cracks.
Yes.
All right, Alina. All set for the weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you.